I've always been fascinated by the soothing sounds of rainstorms, so when the TikTok trend of recording them became popular, I joined in eagerly. My first video was meant to capture a serene afternoon downpour, but something strange happened. The audio played back with a whisper, faint, almost imperceptible, but undeniably there. I brushed it off as interference until the whispers grew clearer, almost deliberate, forming my name. Determined to debunk what I thought was a glitch, I recorded again. This time, the whispers were unmistakable, woven with a sense of urgency that chilled me to the bone. "Help us," they pleaded, my name echoing through the patter of rain. I was drawn into this eerie mystery, compelled to uncover the source. As I delved deeper, I discovered that the whispers belonged to those long lost to the storm, seeking a voice through the veil. My obsession with capturing the rain had uncovered more than I bargained for: spirits.